Hi, and thanks for your time today. My name is Manny Romero and I'm the Managing Director here at ETM Pacific. And with this video, we'd like to introduce you to our Delta Blue family of cellular low power loggers. We're going to unbox our entry level unit, which is the Delta Blue Mini. Let's have a look what's inside the box. You get your quick start guide, which gives you all the information you need for connections and getting the unit up and running. And here is the unit itself. So the quick start guide gives you all the basic information that you need to get you started. There's a wiring table, color coded, that outlines all the different I/O points. On top of that, how to insert the SIM card, along with how to get connectivity to our web-based portal. Okay, let's have a look at the Delta Blue itself. You'll notice that it's a IP rated enclosure, very rugged. There's the SMA connector on the top. An antenna can screw directly onto it, or you can have an extension cable for a situation where the antenna has to be connected remotely. There's a breather. That breather ensures that there's no internal condensation into the unit itself, and then a waterproof cable gland with your external I/O connection if it's a version that supports that. You'll notice the window. The window provides indication as to its status. Well, why don't we have a look inside and show you how we insert the SIM card. Okay, so we've taken the lid off. Let's have a look what's inside. I'll highlight some of the key components. You'll notice that there's an internal antenna. That means that in many cases, there is no need to connect an external antenna. You'll notice there's a little module here that's a U-Blox GNSS receiver to provide information on location. We also have a mini USB port, and that is for programming. Couple of push buttons. There's a wake up push button, so if you're on site, you want to just quickly check that everything's working, hit that. And then there's also a reset. You'll notice a dip switch. The dip switch allows you to set parameters for each particular type of input. And another rotary switch. That rotary switch allows you to feed different voltages to your sensors. So for example, if you have a 4 to 20 milliamp 2-wire transmitter, you can provide 16 volts of power to that 2-wire device. Now, show you how to insert the SIM card. Make sure I've got it the right way around. Pop it in there and slide it back, and you're done. So I'd like to just highlight the complete Delta Blue family. As a reminder, these are low power, battery powered, low power data loggers, and they start with the Delta Blue Classic. We've got the Delta Blue Mini, and notice here we've got two versions of the Delta Blue Mini. This one has all the sensors self-contained, so no external interfaces at all, other than of course the venting plug. Whereas this version here has an SMA connector and external I/O. Then we have also, just going back, Delta Blue Classic, the Delta Blue Mini, and then this is the Delta Blue Pro. The Delta Blue Pro is got a much higher battery capacity. Otherwise, it's essentially similar or the same as the Delta Blue